Well, I'm shooting episode 3. It's not the episode that I wanted to shoot. However, it's a very important episode because in this episode I am cutting wood and starting my actual build process, and you can see a piece of that right there. And I just cut this piece of wood right here. I've never done any kind of woodworking in my life, but Larry's been a great guy, great help at this point. So I'm getting it done, and I still have all my fingers, which is a major plus. So I will keep you folks updated as this episode progresses. Actually, you'll see this episode next, if I get it all done, probably this coming Thursday. So that my production schedule is shifted a little bit, obviously for obvious reasons. But I'm trying to get things out on Saturdays so that most people can see them on the weekends. But you folks see these on Thursdays. And I'm usually crazy busy on Fridays, so very small updates on Fridays, if at all. So you're basically getting about 6 days worth of updates, and you get to see this episode when it's done on Thursday. There you go. Hope that was somewhat informative. But I do want to point this out. I'm having oodles of fun. This part is oodles. This is the part I've been looking forward to for almost three months. Is the actual cutting, the building part. I get to build today. Yay! Building part. Oh, I thought this would never happen. It's way cool. All right, back to work. I mean, just for you guys, but I have 2 boards in place. Look. Board number 1. Board number 2. Is that the coolest thing since sliced bread? I think so. I'm getting closer. We're at a point where now I have to measure the floor joists or measure the distance for the floor joists, and then cut them to size, and then it's a matter of pocket screws, and we're good to go. All right, more later. You are never gonna believe this. I don't believe it. I'm standing here and I'm in person and I don't believe it. You'll never guess what Larry is standing on. He's standing on my new subfloor. Look at that. Wow. It's got a few creaks in it, but, I'll live with it, baby. It's all good. Wow. We ain't finished yet. We have a couple more tweaks to do, but basically, that's all that she wrote on this toy. So, thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you somewhere on the road. Bye!